Hey guys, Jaya from TechX. So today, let's unbox the WiiM Sub Pro and the WiiM Amp Ultra. Let's go! Whoa, it's already open! Damn, bro! Alright, so some features about this Sub Pro. It has an 8-inch subwoofer custom driver, and it has a frequency response going down to 25 Hz and up to 200 Hz. And the driver is integrated into a custom engineered vibration resistant cabinet to minimize unwanted rattles and resonance.
The WiiM Sub Pro is going for RM2199.
And I really like the gloss finish of this subwoofer, but bear in mind, this will be a fingerprint magnet. Other than that, it has a Wi-Fi 6 that supports ultra-low latency and stable streaming, with a Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio and an Ethernet port for wired setups. Last but not least, one of the coolest features of this subwoofer, I would say the AI room calibration, the room fit, which works pretty great, I might say, to optimize the bass according to your room acoustics and your speakers or sub placement. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing video of this Sub Pro, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you! Of the long-awaited WiiM M Ultra. Can't wait to see what's inside. Let's go!
The WiiM M Ultra is going for RM2699.
So a quick comparison between the WiiM Ultra and the WiiM M Ultra. The power cord that has been used by the WiiM Ultra is a figure 8, but at the WiiM M Ultra, in TechX what we call it Mickey Mouse plug lah. And for the speaker ports, it uses the same as the WiiM Vibe Link amp. So usually the speakers port are poked out from the amp, but this is flat. Nice finishing. And from the accessories of the WiiM M Ultra, it comes with 4 banana plugs. So there are optical inputs, HDMI inputs, USB for your pen drive or SSD, a LAN cable for stable connection, and then RCA in for if you want to use another streamer, and also sub out. So the WiiM M Ultra looks very similar to the WiiM Ultra, just it has an entire 100 watts amplifier built in. And what I like ever since the WiiM Ultra released, that has this sleek minimalist design, similar to what Apple product releases. And that's what people want. So maybe in the next video, we're gonna do a comparison between the WiiM Amp Ultra and the WiiM Ultra plus Petaling amp combination. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.